Hi, this is Umar. When it comes to option trading, most of the retail traders go for short straddle or even short strangle, right? Most of the people ask how to deploy a short straddle, how to adjust a short straddle, when to exit the short straddle, or even they ask how to adjust a short strangle and so on. But the thing is, short straddle will work not all the time. Short straddle will work only on the range bound market. It is not going to work on the trending market like like what is happening today alone. Nifty has crashed more than 350 points. As of now, when I am taking this video, Nifty has crashed from 14,800 to 14,450. So 350 points move in single trading session. That is the amount of volatility we are experiencing nowadays. So in this type of market scenarios, short straddle is not going to work. It is going to make you big trouble. So we have in today's video we will discuss about one strategy which is called ratio spread. So ratio spreads are strategies when you buy at the money call and you sell out of the money calls. Of course, when you are bullish, you can apply this strategy. This strategy will work if you are super bullish, or even if the market is range bound. This strategy is going to work. For the sake of example, I am telling bullish. You can deploy this strategy in both way also. You can apply. You can deploy on the call side as well. You can deploy it on the put side as well. So in this video, we will discuss brief in about ratio spread, how to deploy a ratio spread, how to construct a ratio spread, and we will also backtest this ratio spread so you get a good idea of how ratio spreads work. In case you haven't subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing this channel as we have lots of contents lined up for you. Your support really motivates us. Yeah. Now we will do a short straddle, credit ratio spread strategy. Yeah. For the purpose of backtesting, what we will do is we will take the dates from 1st of March to 3rd of March. At the time of deploying this strategy, we are taking 25th March. At the time of deploying this strategy, market is around 14,700. So what we will do is we will buy 14,700 one lot, and 14,700 put one lot. Yeah, we have bought a call 14,100 call for 418, and we have bought a 14,700 put for 380 rupees. So once doing this, what this will do is it will give a strategy something like this. So this is like a long straddle. Yeah, we have explained about short straddle. This is the opposite of short straddle, which is called long straddle. So this strategy can also be implemented, but it has to have if you deploy this in a stock, or if you deploy this in the indices option, whatever the instrument is, it has to move violently. Example, you can implement the strategy, long straddle strategy, in Bank Nifty. So we will discuss about this. We will upload a video about the long straddle in the future, but for now we will stick to our point. We will construct a ratio spread. So again, I am telling you what I have done is I have bought 14,700 call and put on March expiry. I have bought calls for 418 and I have bought puts for 380 rupees. So once I do this, what I am going to do next is I am going to sell out of the money calls. Yeah, I will sell. Yeah, maybe I will sell 15,100 put. This time 2 lots. I have bought 1 lot of call. I am going to sell out of the money calls 2 lots. Yeah, same on the put side also. I have bought 14,700 put for 380 rupees. Now what I am going to do is I am going to sell a put. I will sell the 14,200 put 2 lots. Yeah, once I do this, this is how it is going to look like. This is called ratio spread. You are not, once we have bought the call and sold out of the money calls or put, this is how the strategy is going to look like. On the downside, my break even is 13,600, and on the upside my break even is around 15,500, and I will not be having any problem if the market is going to expire. I will tell you, even if the market is going to expire in between these break even points, I am going to make a profit. I will tell you. And if the market is bullish also, or even bearish also, you are going to make a profit. So why? I will tell you. Because for example, if the market is bullish, market is at around 14,700, and you expect the market to expire around 15,000 on the March series, right? So what will happen is, if the market, as you predicted, if the market expires around 15,000, the call 14,700 call which you bought is going to be in the money, and that is going to make you a good profit. At the same time, the 15,100 call which we sold is also going to be out of the money and will expire worthless, and that is also going to give you a profit. So that is what this strategy is, like dual purpose. You can use it either way. Even if the market moves also, you will make profit, and even if the market doesn't move also, you are going to make a profit. That is the highlight of this strategy. But this is one of the strategies, or one of the most underrated or underutilized strategies, which people don't use, or like I don't know what is the reason. They never come to these strategies. They never ask for these strategies. Everyone is behind straddles only. So we'll see what is going to happen in the March expiry. What we have done is, on first we have bought 14,700 call and sold respective calls and put on both sides. Yeah. On 1st of March we deployed this strategy. On 2nd of March this strategy has given a profit of around 2,876. We will continue with this strategy and we will see what is happening. March series was very violent, I can tell you. Like March series, you see, from 14,700 Nifty moved all the way around to 15,400, I believe, and came back. But on close to close basis, if you see, market never moved anywhere. On 16th of March, from 14,700 market moved to 15,000, right? See, as you can see, the call 14,700 call is at a profit of around 176. At the same time, 15,100 call 2 lots which we sold on 1st of March is also in the profit. See, had you deployed a straddle, either the call would have been in loss, right? You would have gone for any adjustment or would have made any adjustment. But in this case, you don't have to do any adjustment. Even if you have market has moved violently, the call is giving us a profit. And you see on the put side, see, the 14,700 put is at a loss of 20,000, and the respective put 2 lots which we sold is in the profit of 25,000. That side, put side is also, call side is also in profit, and put side is also in the profit. But the call side profit is more than the put side profit. March series market is everywhere now. From 15,000 it has come to 14,400, and see what is happening. The call which we sold, both is in loss, but the put is in profit. The put is in the loss of just 3200, but the call is in a loss of 24,000. But that is compensated by the call which we sold and the put which we sold. Both the short call and put is making profit here. We'll further see what is going to happen, and as of 22nd March, the profit in this strategy is around 19,841. We'll still wait and hold. We'll hold and see what the position is going to happen. What is going to happen? Yeah, on 24th of March, this strategy is given us a profit of around 17,800. Market hasn't moved anywhere on an end to end, close to close basis. In the March series, if you want, I will show the chart also. Market hasn't moved anywhere. It was where it started in the on the 1st of March. It is around 14,700 only. 25th, last day of the March series, and we'll see what is happening. 21,682 is the profit of this strategy in the month of March. This is the same, this strategy is going to be same like short straddle, but the difference is you are going to buy at the money and you are going to sell out of the money, call or put. You think like this: you sell strangles and you buy at the money, calls and put, but make sure the buy is compensated by the sell. For example, for a sake of example, I am telling, if you have bought a call for 100 rupees, you sell a strike which is 400 or 500 points away, and which is around 50 rupees, you sell 2 lots. That's it. That is the strategy. Same you have to do it on the put side. So this way, this strategy is going to make you a good profit. If the market is bullish or bearish also, it will make a profit. At the same time, if the market is range bound also, this strategy is going to make a good profit. But the problem is, if the market is super bullish or super bearish, it is going to make a strike. It is going to make a problem. If the market is super bullish, for example, from 14,700 it is blasting to 15,500, 1,000 points move, like what has happened on month of February, this strategy is going to make a loss. At that point of time, if the market is super bullish, you can obviously make adjustment, but I cannot explain that in this single video. We will come out with a ratio spread adjustment strategy in the near future. So this is about it. I hope this video is very helpful to you, and there is a strong disclaimer: please consult your financial advisor before investing or trading in option. I hope this video is of any use to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.